Hey, good Friday morning, and thank you for checking out your Mr. Quick weather update. The showers that we had this morning are now starting to move out here, and we're going to see dry weather moving back in and some sunshine for the afternoon. So be sure to enjoy it. Temperature's not quite as warm today. And as we go into the weekend, we will be looking at another storm system working in Saturday overnight and Sunday, and that will bring heavy rain across the area. So we will need to keep an eye on that system. This morning, this cold front's coming through, and you notice the temperature's dropping quite a bit. We were in the 70s earlier this morning. We're now in the upper 40s and low 50s. So it's definitely going to be a cooler day today, but a little closer to seasonal for this time of the year. And here's your 7-day forecast today, 60 degrees for a high, so we will bounce back some this afternoon. Again, 60 degrees isn't too bad this time of year. We'll see temperatures in the low 40s tonight, back to the low 60s Saturday. We're going to be dry during the day tomorrow, so any outdoor plans during the day tomorrow, we're going to be just fine. Later tomorrow night, around midnight and after, we're going to see heavy rain working in across the area as a potent storm system moves through the region, bringing with it some gusty winds. And we do expect heavy rainfall, especially early Sunday morning. The rain will be more scattered, but still there throughout the day Sunday. So Sunday's a wet day. We'll keep that temperature in the mid-60s. Pretty good spread in the temperature Sunday from north to south over the area. So if you're further north and west, you may stay quite a bit cooler than what this is showing you. And as we go into Monday, we're going to see a brief snap of some cooler temperatures on Monday, but temperatures in the low 50s for highs. But check out how quickly we bounce back. We'll be about 20 degrees warmer by Tuesday, but back in the 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. Our next chance of rain will come in late Wednesday and especially by Thursday. It looks like a pretty potent system later next week. Thank you guys for watching this forecast. Have a good day.